All right, the next fun part that we've got going on here is taking off the head. So we're gonna go ahead and start by taking off all of the nuts and the water neck here. All right, let's get started. Let's see what we can do. So I've got all new grade 8 studs and nuts to put in here. So we're hoping that all these studs come out nice and easy. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4 of them came without, 4 of them came with the studs. At least we know they're not going to be 4 of them that are going to be hard to get out. All right, give a little bit of PB and then I'll go get my head removal tool. Okay, so this is a head puller made by one of the club members from our Santa Clara Valley chapter. And I'm just getting it set up here. It's definitely overbuilt. I have used this one numerous times, and typically we only need a few, maybe 4 of these, studs to get us in the right neighborhood here to pull it. So I'll get it set up and then I'll show you where we're at. Okay, so if you can see there, it plugs in to, or bolts in to the spark plug holes, and then you put an open end wrench down on the bottom and you give it a little crank in the 4 corners. I've got one here, one here, one here, and we will have one here. So with those 4 corners, we should be able to pull this thing up pretty quickly. We are gonna have some tool cleanup today. Okay, get that a little tight, not overly tight. See, we're loose on this side now. Oh, we're so close. All right. Now the $50,000 question, actually the $400 question. Is it a high compression head? It is. Interesting. Looks a lot like my 5.5. Lots of soot. It is sleeved, so I'm assuming it's standard, but you never know. Water jackets are atrocious. Gonna have a fun time cleaning this one up.